Hello, what is up everyone? Welcome to this second video of making a React Native 2048 game with React Native Windows. And as you can see right here, what I've done is I've written the basic code for our game.js file as well, just as we had written for menu.js. And what I've done is I've just said this is the game screen right here. In our menu we've written this is the menu. And one thing that I'm also going to do is I'm going to go in my common styles and I'm going to import colors from common/colors, which is or I could just do ./colors. So what I'm doing here is I'm importing the colors from this file right here that I've created. And as I said in the previous video, what I've done is within this file I've put my colors right here. So one thing that I probably didn't mention in the previous video is we need these codes here as well. So on both our property and the value we need the codes. And I'm not going to be putting this file anywhere because it's actually better if you just use some colors that you choose. That'll give it a personalized look. But I have these colors right here and I want those here in the common styles file. And to my container, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a background color, and that's going to be colors.background. And at this point I think we're almost ready to change app.js and try running our program. But one thing that we want to do is within each of this folder that we have created, let's add a package.json file. And just bear with me for a few minutes and I'll tell you what this does. So what I want to do is I want to say name, and then I want to name the directory which is common. So common, and we need to do this for every directory. So I've done it for common. I want to do it for navigation as well. So I create a package.json. I write name, and in this one I do navigation. And next we need it for routes as well. So I do new file package.json and I write name, and here it'll be routes. And it's alright if we don't do it inside of our game and menu directory, but within all the directories that we've created in our src folder we should make this. Now what this does is, as you can see, let me just show you with menu.js. Now as you can see, for the this styles right here, which is this one, I've used a relative path, but I haven't used a relative path here. So ideally what I should be using is something like /common/colors styles. But this relative path thing gets kind of tedious at times. So what this package.json does is it lets us access it like this. So if I have a package.json with the name common within this folder, so I have this one right here which has name as common, then I can just say common/styles and I'll know where that is. So that's what we've done here. And now let's go ahead and change our app.js. So what we'll do is we'll get rid of everything that's here, and I want to set the indent using tabs and use 4. So for some reason this is always changed for me in app.js. So what I want to do here is I want react component from react, and I want navigation container which is from react navigation/native. So that's from here. So let's go ahead and now do export default class app extends component, And within the render method, this time all we have to do is we need to return a navigation container. And within the navigation container, I want my stack nav, so I'll have to import that as well. So import stack nav from navigation / stack nav. And what I want to do here is just say stack nav. That's it. So let's go ahead and see what our app has for us. So I'll have to do reload JavaScript. Let's take a look at our console as well. So as you can see here, I have the menu and it has the text, this is the menu. So this is probably the background color that I've chosen in my colors.js file. You can choose a different background. And I'm getting this header because the stack nav by default has a header. So one thing I want to do is I want to get rid of that header right here. And that's it for the changes that we're going to be doing in app.js. So we can just close this file and probably never look at that again. So let's go in our stack nav, and what we want to do is we want to say options equals and remember this is double braces, and within this I want header shown to false. And I'm going to do the same thing for our game screen as well. So I want no header here either. And let's go back to our app and let's once again reload JavaScript. So as you can see, I've got no header right here now. So that's basically it for this video. I wanted to keep this one short. What we'll do in the next video is we'll actually create the menu with a couple of buttons, one that takes us to the actual game screen and another button to maybe exit the game. So that's what we'll do in the next video. I'll see you there. If you like the video, don't forget to give it the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that and share the video with your friends, and see you next time.